Hello everybody and welcome back to an episode of Dead Space. My name is Merple, and when I last left off, let's see, what was I doing? Oh that's right, I went from... I was going to tram maintenance. Okay, we're going to tram maintenance then.
Flight deck tram control.
Alright. I'll meet you guys there.
Hello, Cat.
Now arriving at flight deck tram control.
Alrighty. Flight deck. That's right. It was by the hangar bay that I needed to go to, or something to that accord. What was... am I going to have to go through that other door that was on the other area, like the other side of the tram maintenance? No, I was already in the bathrooms. That door's locked. Whoa. A little bit of a lag spike there. Oh, hello. You guys are already active. Okay. Nope. You guys ain't getting the drop on me, or at least you ain't. Someone else might. Someone's right behind me. I know it. They're what? Like, I don't need stasis. They're right behind me. I know it. Okay. Nobody's behind me. This door. Oh, this is the hydroponics.
Isaac, if you're near hydroponics, check your helmet filters. That air's not safe to breathe.
Yeah, I smell
Okay, we're good.
the whole deck's rotting.
I'm reading a huge mass in food storage. Too big to be anything they grew. It looks like the source of the poison gas. That
Ew.
patient in medical. He said something about creating an enzyme, right? Maybe the scientists left the workstation open.
Hopefully. Maybe we can figure it out. Ooh, let's lift the loot. Hold on, a little bit of a looting real quick. Give me that plasma energy.
Lifting station lockdown.
Hydroponics. Okay, gotta go to the bathroom really quick. Fucking why? Why would you put something like that in this? Come on! I know the bathroom's never the best place to go, but like, fuck! Oh my god, I was... What a gnarly swirly. Fuck. I don't trust them. I don't trust those toilets now. God damn it. I can't trust anything in this fucking game. Oh. Excuse you. But why did you close? Like, if it was open waiting for me, why didn't it just wait for me? This looks promising. Oh, that's a very loud and obnoxious noise for water. Like, it's very grindy. Okay. Good. Whoa. What the?
Gordon Luke,
Oh.
this is Dr.
Cross.
Elizabeth Cross. To all survivors, turn back.
I can't do that.
It's all gone. Everything we grew. My team.
You grew your team?
That monster. Please, leave. Get somewhere safe. If I can find a way to kill it somehow. Jacob,
I'm Isaac.
if you're hearing this, you know I have to try.
Try what? What are you doing? Oh god. Where are you going? What are you doing? You can't just leave it like that. Liquid nitrogen depleted. I'm gonna do a quick save because I'd imagine something is gonna happen right now. Ew, boy. Okay. You know, we're gonna go straight into it.
Liquid nitrogen replenished. Beginning enzyme synthesis.
Oh god, it's grown everywhere.
Enzyme synthesis complete. Caution, do not ingest.
Okay, so that thing's playing in the background again. Give me a second, going through the store.
Synthesis complete. Please retrieve enzyme from workstation.
Okay, contact beam upgrade. It doesn't seem like there's anything in here that I really need. For the time being, okay.
Synthesis complete. Please retrieve enzyme
Oh, wait.
from workstation.
Wait, am I supposed to... Oh! I didn't realize I was supposed to grab that.
Yeah, I finished the enzyme. It's been modified to digest something big.
They must have been trying to kill whatever's in food storage. Let's hope it works.
Fucking... Oh, that looks gnarly. Okay. Well, let's go right into the thick of it. Oh, fucking... What the hell?
No. Go back. There's no way into food storage.
Lies!
Even if it was, the Leviathan would devour you.
You're Elizabeth Cross, right? This Leviathan. Is that what's poisoning the air?
The air. My team has destroyed everything. I designed a special enzyme to kill it. I just needed liquid nitrogen to complete the synthesis. The people I sent to medical
I got it!
never came back.
I've got some of that enzyme here.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god. How?
I brought the liquid nitrogen over.
We need to inject it into the Leviathan. You can't get into food storage, but there's another way. It's risky.
Riskier than running out of air?
My team has been altered. They're all connected to the Leviathan, breathing out its toxins. That connection goes both ways.
Okay. So if I get to your team and inject them,
The enzyme will be carried right into the Leviathan's heart. Bind the Wheezers. End their suffering. And when the Leviathan is weak enough, we vent the bastard into space.
Very well. Sounds like a plan. Alright. We gotta find Wheezer's fucking... I don't trust that. I feel like that may or may not kill me. I feel like it will. Why is this... Oh, what was that? Ripper upgrade? Ooh! Okay, okay. I'm excited to make my Ripper stronger. Oh god. Oh, no, no, no. No, open the damn door again. Okay, there we go. Let's check this room. Open, open. Hey, it's the bench. I only got 2 nodes. Oh. That's right, I can add those things into it. Ripper. Ooh, special. Ripper blade gains an additional ricochet. Ooh, okay. Oh, more ricochets. Got it. Plasma cutter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't mind if I do. Yep, that's all I had the power for. We got fire, boys. Let's see. Let me equip them. Whoop, whoop. Ah! Let's go up here. It's always number 1 in the slot. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna get a face full of acid. Well, can't open that. Credits. Credits. I would like a little bit more plasma energy, because having only 40 something, I know is not gonna take me very far. Burn, bitch, burn! Wow. Someone needs to really contact electrical. Yeah, there's some issues going on with the lights up here. This is a very big room, and I do not like that. Big rooms mean big enemies. Or lots of enemies. Oh boy. Oh wait, no. That's right, I gotta find 8. That's an explosive. Gotta find the Wheezers. Oh, fuck! You were a fucking bitch! That was... You guys suck! Oh god. Okay. Why did I have to be right about this? Boop, boop. Oh, ow. What? Really stuck it on that one? Okay, come on. Boop. Oh, that didn't kill him? No. Ha, ha, ha. Give me that arm. Give me your... Oh, wait, no, not you. I want your other arm. Someone got a little impaled. Now you're dead. Smack! Oh, wait. Oh, God. I was not ready. Why are there so many of you? You know what? The 40 plasma ammo actually... Did I get more? I did get more. Haha. No. I hear you. Nope. I always like taking out their legs first. It just makes the most sense. Because then you just ruin their mobility, and then from there you can just take out their arms. It makes so much sense. No! Stop it!
Clearance confirmed.
I don't need none of that shit behind me. Alright. Wait, what's... A force gun? Oh, I got all the weapons! Oh boy! I'm going to blow everybody back. Alright, hold on. Let me actually put this into my arsenal really quick. Equip it on number 4. There we go. Okay. Primary and gravity well. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh shit! Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is really nice. Ooh. So many guns are so much fun. Wait, there's... That doesn't look healthy. Oh, there's an up. Okay, let's go. Oh, wait. There's a message over here. There's some message.
Security request retrieved.
Right.
Hello, security.
What's that?
This is Dr. Cross
Oh, yeah,
in
no, I wasn't.
hydroponics. Something just hit the hull near food storage. We think it's a rogue asteroid. I have people injured from decompression.
Okay, we're gonna go in here.
Medics and crowd control right away. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Everyone out of food storage. It's alive. How can it be alive?
I found a Wheezer. You didn't even push the syringe in, Isaac. Like, all I saw you do was just stab it. Like, that doesn't... I don't think that just does it. I don't... Oh, hello. It just rips them apart. Holy crap. That is beautiful. Oh, I see you back there. Don't think I don't. Excuse you, you're supposed to die. How are you not dead? Here.
Liz Cross again. I never asked your name.
Isaac Clarke, systems engineer.
Engineer. Have you seen Jacob Temples?
I haven't, but I'm looking for someone too. Dr. Nicole Brennan.
Let's go to floor 2.
Dr. Brennan. Doesn't she help people leave unitology?
Yeah, like my mother. That's how we met.
I hope
She
she's
was smart.
okay.
She was smart for
The
that.
unitologists here didn't like anyone questioning them. And since the captain died,
Oh.
they've all snapped.
Oh, looks like there's one in there, but I can't go in there yet because there's no power. And yes, Unitology has indeed snapped. They are losing their minds, and they are murdering people. It's great. It's a fantastic time. Jungle ambiance? Wait.
Therapeutic engines off.
Maybe we might want to leave that on.
Engines on.
Yeah, I think we might leave that on for now. Yeah. That was quite the roar. Nope. Nope. Fuck you and your bullshit. You guys look freaking cool, I'm not gonna lie. But, I need projectiles. Oh! I know he was far away, but still. Oh, shit. They made those guys look freaking gnarly. Oh, I love that. I love that. Alright, next room. Every single time I go into a new room, it's like there's a small little lag spike. Just loading all the enemies. They're waiting for me. I don't like this. Oh, I can just walk through that.
Entering zero gravity.
Oh, that's cool. Sir, are you okay? Do you need assistance? Well, I do have a Ripper. This might be able to help me. Yep. Yep. Where'd the other one go? Oh, found you. And, oh, stop it! Die! No, come. Gosh damn it. Alright, bam! You couldn't get away from me. Okay, I opened a door over here. Alright, the door. Oh, box. Oh. 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 Oh, I hate this. Oh, I'm gonna hate this. I don't even. Oh, God. Oh, God. I'm not. Okay, the power's not on. I'm gonna have to turn some sort of power on, I think. This is. Fuck. Is this? No. Okay, where are they at? I don't see them.
Exiting zero gravity. Toxic hazard detected.
Let me, I think this would be good for this. Burn, baby, burn. Just go inferno. I think you're done now. Cough on this, or, wheeze on this. God damn it, I'm trying to think of that song from Wheezer. Oh, say it ain't so. Wait, is there anything else I need to do in here? Okay, so likely not. And knowing my luck, power's gonna be on.
Zero gravity.
I think. Maybe? No. Maybe. Okay, I was freaking out for nothing. Everything's fine. Oh, shit! I know you can jump. Oh! Burn! 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 Ow! Fuck! Ah! Burn! Okay, he's done. We're fine. Everything's fine. Okay. Gonna land it real quick. Let's see. I do have a little bit more of this, so I'll do that instead.
Exiting Exiting.
I might have to start buying... Like, I don't want to start buying ammo from the the store, but... I think, excuse me. I think I am getting to that point. No! I hear you. Don't think I don't. No! Oh, you though. Almost did not hear you. Oh, you guys, did I pick? Okay, I don't know if I did. No, I did. Okay. Yeah, no, like I said, I think I'm just gonna go to the store and start buying a little bit more ammo. Probably mainly for the plasma gun. Or the plasma cutter, because it's now just definitely gonna be my supersonic oscillator. Holy shit! Oh. Oh, that's an upgrade. I thought that was just, ammo. Whoops, let me, There we go. Okay, and then I'll actually buy you, because you're fun. And that's for the line gun. Okay. Yeah, I'll get that later. Even though I don't have any ammo for the line gun. Nope, nope. Oh, I didn't even realize. You know what? Take that. I think that did it in for them. Hey! More ammo for my gun. We'll take power off that one and go to this one. Because there was a very big roar and I was not very okay with that. Oh, shit, Nelly.
Toxic hazard detected.
I'm sorry. I didn't trust you.
Isaac, where are you? Help me.
You can't just call and then immediately dip out. Like, I want to help, but you gotta help me help you. Wheezer. Hey, hey. No. Please just don't do that. See, you don't even push the syringe down. I don't get how it works. Oh, wait. Oh, I hear you. Oh god, they're falling all around me. They're falling all around me. Oh god, no. We're not doing none of that. No, fuck. I didn't see you over there. I didn't see you over there. Just... It shouldn't be this difficult. Okay, I think I'm just... At this point, okay. Oh, shit. I need to reboot! Legs. Take out the legs first, don't. Stop it out! Fuck you! Okay, I think we're good. Alright. Next room? Yeah, next room.
I looked up Cross's notes on the... Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Kendra?
It's him. 2 things behind you. Karen. Wait, he's gone. He waved at me, and... sorry, Isaac. Keep going. Just a glitch on the cameras.
Will do. I will
With my
keep
little
going.
brother. Stupid, right? That's not possible.
I'm just... There we go. Whatever is around did not like that. Oh, I see you over there. Oh. Oh shit! Hey, that's one of the objectives. One of those objectives that I was running around for trying to find before, but I didn't need it yet. I don't like that squelching noise. Oh, I don't know if I can fall and I don't trust it. Okay, you know what? Just gotta... Yeah. We're just gonna keep going. We're gonna move right along. They're giving me a lot of stores and save stations here. Alright, alright. Let's move it on. Okay, and... Wait. Inject Wheezer too. I thought I did already. Did I not? Oh. Wheezy. Oh, he's up there. That's... Okay, that was the noise. Wait, why am I going down? I need to go up. Oh, God. Oh. Yeah, no, I got nothing. Shit.
Hazardous anomaly detected.
Oh, fuck.
Quarantine activated.
I know your weakness, boy! Don't think I don't. You have a horrible turning radius. Wow. Finished him off with one Ripper Blade. That's kind of impressive, actually. Wait, is there more?
Quarantine lifted.
No, there's not. They gave me this whole freaking room to do this with. And I just stasis him, and that was it. Okay. God damn it, I gotta find a battery. Knowing me, I'm gonna freaking lose out where the battery is and then look forever for the freaking...
Toxic hazard detected.
Okay, he's back there. I'm not gonna spend time on the bench right now. It's kind of not a very smart idea. Ooh, health. And my cat is attacking my toes.
Toxic hazard
Why?
cleared.
Why? Why must you do this to me, Smokey? Oh, wait. Oh, I cannot go in there. Wait, so how... Okay, is there a way that I'm supposed to actually take care of that? Oh.
Toxic hazard detected.
Oh. Is Wheezer 1, 2, and 3? 3 per technical Wheezer? You know what I mean? Because I already did 3 Wheezers. That would be technical 4. Give me those pulse rounds. I hear you. And you are now ground beer. You know, it just occurred to me that we have all these necromorphs, right? Same thing with these guys. But there should have only been adult people, like adults on this freaking ship. What are causing those guys?
Hazard detected.
Let's see. Is there not a way over? Oh, wait. No? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do one of these things. Don't know if it's the right thing to do, but I'm doing it anyways. Ah, shit. Fuck. There we go. Did that do it? No. Okay. I guess we'll come back to this later. Wait. Why would there be stasis in here? Do I need something for stasis? Oh, no. There's a door back there. Okay, so there's another way in. I'll find my way around.
Hazard cleared.
Inject Wheezer 2. See, it says Wheezer 2, but I already did like 4 Wheezers at this point. Wait, where? You want me to go in the elevator? Where are we going? You brought me down here for what reason? So I know there's that Wheezer up there. And how the hell am I supposed to get over there? Am I just supposed to continue going? Am I supposed to... Wait, wasn't there a way for me to get to level 3? You know what? There might be an elevator up here. I'm just gonna go that way. I don't... That's a big hole. Wait, is the Leviathan what grabbed me earlier? You know, that would make a lot of sense. That would make a lot of sense. Isaac? You need to move. You need to move. You need to do the... You need to... Fuck! Fuck! No, 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 no! Let go! Ow! Come on. Aim! And we fire... Fuck! Reload! I don't think it'll be very good fitting through that hole. Please, please. Okay. Oh. Oh, hello. Bitch. Got out of that. Because we are strong and we are smart.
Just a repair mission, they said. Not this. Not seeing my dead brother on the fucking camera.
Yeah.
All this death. Imagine what the marker could do in the wrong hands.
This is about serious.
Just thinking, if some corporate asshole tries to take the marker, you and me could do something about it.
You're leaning pretty hard on that if.
Oh, come on. Where's Hammond? What's he doing?
I don't know. If I don't focus, we'll run out of air before it matters.
There's credits. I thought it was gonna be something a little bit more than just credits. Oh, fuck. Stasis? Okay, yeah, stasis. Stasis is the answer. Where's... I hear... Oh, God. Oh, God. Ow. Fuck, I can't see anything. It's so difficult to see things. Ah! Shit. Okay. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Stop it. Oh, there's... You. No. You can't even see me. How do you know where I'm at? God damn it. Oh, shit. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. No, I'm not. I got the achievement. Dismember 500 legs, or arms, or limbs.
Zero gravity.
What? I don't have those.
Zero gravity.
Oh, wait, turbine control. No, God. I'm not. If that's what I think it is this time, I'm not looking forward to it.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifier.
Okay, am I just...
functioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Okay, I might just be going too far at this point. Yeah, I'm gonna just... Hold on.
Entering zero gravity.
What's over here? Oh, shit. Would have missed that. Yeesh. I don't feel comfortable around all these spikes. Oh. Oh. Sure, and they do have... I hear you're squelching and I don't appreciate it. Okay, wait, is that it? Is that where I'm supposed to go? Okay, okay. Wait, what? God, this is so disorienting. Especially because I can't see anything. Wait. Okay, there we go. I think that's... Yeah, that's back towards the ground. Holy crap. That's so disorienting. How did I miss this? A freaking power node. I need those. I need all of those. As many as I can get my hands on. I need them. Okay. Let's go finish injecting this Wheezer. I went way too far forward. Oops. Oh, hello. Goodbye. Please, just freaking... Ow! No! Stop it! Get some help. What the fuck? Okay, that's... Okay, I think we're good now. I think we're good. Oh, yeah, credits. Okay, where is this Wheezer number 2? That's right, this... I really gotta stop doing that, because it did tell me to go up to frickin' floor 3. I remember that. Here I am just skipping over steps. Okay. if I do things in order, you know, I might be able to get to where I need to without doing so much backtracking. Hello. Stab. You're done. You're done. Text log. Chem lab reports. Elizabeth. As requested, I've attached the latest test results for the organic growth we've been observing on the ship. I know you're busy, but we really need to run a joint study with Dr. Howell. This substance is absolutely fascinating. Given its affinity for dead tissue, at first I thought it was some sort of fungus, but the cells most closely resemble bacteria with viral behavior. This organism infects other cells through osmosis, then mutates, and reproduces agamogenetically. What's most incredible is the speed at which it grows. One of these bacterium reproduces 20-fold in just... Jesus Christ. That's why we haven't been able to pinpoint any specific origin point. I think it just seemed to be in multiple points of the ship all at once. I've never seen anything like it. I won't stake my reputation on it, but I think this may be a genuine alien life form. Not a good one. Proof Haley theorizes that it's habitat transformer. The level of gaseous discharge are tremendous, which is why it smells so bad. Its decaying body. But to what end? We simply don't know. What organisms might exist symbiotically with it? Are they out there? Could they be sentient even? I'll keep you posted. Heinrich. Why is it that every single thing that's been on this ship, everyone has just been like, oh, let's examine it. Is there a glowy thing? Can I... Oh? I Really? I mean, that's 1,800 credits, so, I mean, that's not bad. No! Oh, no, 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 no! Ow! Stop it! You didn't get the drop on me! But I wasn't ready! Okay. I don't have any ammo in that, and I don't have any ammo in my other guns. Okay, I do have a lot in my flamethrower. We'll put that there, and then the line gun will go up top for now. It looks like, though, I will be using the flamethrower instead. Okay, now I believe that I gotta go run back over to... Is it X or is it C? Oh, inject Wheezers. Wow. Wait, how many fucking Wheezers are there? Check Wheezer 6. Okay. It's telling me to go down now. Very well, I will go down. Maybe I should definitely use my my locator a lot more. Oh, this way? Wait, but there's... Is there power somewhere? No, because there's this guy in here. I can't do anything about that. I'm gonna look around for a little bit. Never mind. Well, I did say a little bit, so just toss that over there. I meant to just softly toss it, not stick it to the fucking wall. Okay. There we go. There we go. And grab it. Oh! Oh god. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Why did you get behind me? What the fuck? Where do you guys come from? Just frickin' burn! Stop it! Leave me alone! It's not okay! I'm not okay! God frickin' damn it! No! No, I don't care if you're... Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Fucking... Oh god. Oh god. Oh shit! You know what? I guess that worked. That was very interesting. Ah, wait, where is it?
Hydroponics. I need
Oh shit.
Vodka. Holly. And enough. Mark. So many. I don't know how much gas they took in. I just saw them change. That turns out like flowers. Jacob. I love you. And I'm so scared because I know how to kill the Leviathan. So I have to stay until it's paid for every single one of them.
I'll help you do it. We will kill the damn thing. Don't worry. We'll avenge everybody on your team.
Exiting zero gravity.
Now let's do a quick save. I guess the first time you meet someone else on the ship rather than what flew in with you on the... I forgot the name of that ship. I mean, the fact that, like, you're working with all these people and you're the one that ends up surviving. Like, that's rough. Seeing the actual transformation happen in front of you, again, that's no joke. That sucks. And the fact that she chose to stay here to kill it, that takes guts. And I'm not talking about the ones on the walls either. Well, like I said, we'll help her get it done.
Entering zero gravity.
Okay, opening this way. Follow the flares. Follow the flares and I can get it done. I don't like them noises. Stop it. Stop it! I don't like the noises! God damn. I guess that's a way to orient yourself.
Exiting zero gravity.
Alright. Now we can continue on past the air filtration place, right? This was air filtration?
Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning.
Yeah, I think.
Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Oh. Oh. Why do I get the feeling I'm gonna have to go in there? Because I'm going to. Because I'm going to. Fine. Alright. This is gonna be a great time. I'm not gonna get cooked. Fuck.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
You didn't need those legs, right? Neither did you. Ah, fuck. What the fuck? Oh, God. No. Get off me. Who said you can get a hump? Definitely not me. Let's get rid of you. And pin you to the wall. And not in a kinky way. Really quickly, though. Because curiosity has gotten the better of me. Is there anything over there? No, there's not. Okay. Fire. And I don't want to be the one burning.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers
Open the door. Open the door, let me out. Okay, we're fine. That was easy. I had nothing to worry about. Let me get my credits. I must give credit where credit is due. Wait, what was that? More credits! Okay. Oh, this side is unlocked. Let's see. Inject. Okay, okay, you know what? We'll follow. We'll get this Wheezer really quick. Oh, he's right here. Not anymore. I don't know which one of the crew you are, but yeah. There you go.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
God, no, stop it. No. And I don't. Okay, there isn't one behind me. Wait, what? Oh, maybe I shouldn't. Oh God. Wait, how does this work? Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Am I gonna die? I don't want to die. Fuck. Okay. Oh, I have health again.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning.
Okay. I guess that's all right. Hi. Yeah, no, we're not gonna deal with you right now. I know I'm supposed to go that way. What? Wait. Oh, never mind. Never mind. We are going that way. I don't want to do any freaking backtracking. I got a decent amount of health. No! No! You're gonna burn like the bitch you are! Ow. No. Stop it. Wave your arms in the air like you just don't care.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
I did stand clear of filtration tubes, okay? Holy shit. I thought I was gonna lose it there. It was...
Isaac, please, I need you. Help me.
Again, you can't just dip in and out, and when I asked for elevator music, that's not what I wanted. Oh, that's where this guy is. Yeah! God damn.
There's peace.
Of course. I'm here for you.
Thank you. The Leviathan's metabolism is slowing.
Cross. Something's up.
It must have worked. You gave it enough enzyme to dissolve the freighter. Okay, I'm unlocking food storage. Quickly get back there and space the bastard while we have the chance.
Entering zero gravity.
Alright. Objective completed. Play enough Wheezer. Hydroponics control.
Exiting zero gravity.
I want to go through there later. Should I turn off the ambiance? Kind of curious about it.
Therapeutic ambulance.
Whoops, my bad. No? Okay. I thought he was gonna be a lot more angry about that. It really is just a random chance, ain't that? Oh. Okay. Running back. Okay. So that's all the time I have for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. And also, like, if you guys have any ideas of like what I should play next, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you so very much for watching, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!